Okay, everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send an email out, like an autoresponder email, to someone directly after they opted into your funnel. So here we are in a testing funnel where we have an opt-in form, and I want to send, let's just say, a thank you email directly from ClickFunnels after they've opted in. Now, if you missed the previous videos about setting up your SMTP service, definitely watch those first because you will not be able to do this unless your SMTP service is set up. But so go watch that if you haven't, and if you have, you are in the right spot and you can go ahead and do this step. So we're going to go into the funnel that you would like to set up this autoresponder email. And on the step, like the first step or the page that has the actual opt-in form, go to automation. And you'll see a couple options here that you can select. And you want to select add new email. And here you have a couple things to put. In this point, we'll just do from name, testing, subject, this is only a test. And then you're going to pick your SMTP. I have one already set up, but this is that one that we had done in the last video, the CF Education one through SendGrid. And again, this in the subject, let's actually take this out and say, thank you for signing up. And you wouldn't have your name testing, but you get the point there. And the condition, the only thing you have here is everyone, because it's everyone who opts in. You can't send to people who don't opt in because you don't have their email address. So the condition is everyone, and make this your own for what your subject and your name is. Then you have to pick your email template. So you can have a template, or you can just select one, delete everything, and create your own. Or you can actually save your own templates within ClickFunnels, but that would be for another video. So we're going to make this one very simple. We're just going to, select this first one, use this template. We're going to scroll down and click create email. And just like that, it's created. Now, you're probably saying, well, I didn't write anything in there. And that's okay, because it just gets it set up here, and we're going to go into Open Editor. Now, I'm going to first click into this Edit button. If you notice, there's also a time delay. If you don't put anything in here, it'll be immediately. So as you see, this is immediately. But you can, if you wanted to delay an hour or 15 minutes, whatever you want that delay to be. But in this case, we want it to be immediately. So now we actually have to edit our email. So we're going to open an editor. And this editor actually looks very similar to the ClickFunnels editor to actually building a funnel. Now, what I'm going to do is just, delete everything by coming to the settings, delete row, settings, delete row, because this is a template and I just don't want any of it. Delete row, and let's just delete row. So now you're starting from scratch. So we want to add a new row, just one element, and we won't put a logo here. Let's just do text headline. And we just say, whoop, sorry here. Go in here and say, hi there. Thank you for signing up for blah, blah, blah. And whatever else you would want to say in this email. So we will send you emails every week that talk about blank, 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 and you get the point here. Just put in your copy for your email. You can end it with a signature. You can put images in. You can do whatever you want, but we'll just sincerely CF Education Training or something like that. And boom, that's just, again, a very simple email. You want to press save at all times, and you can just preview and see, okay, this is what that email would look like. Super basic. Obviously, I recommend styling it a lot more, but we're just getting this all set up and ready to go. And so we already pressed saved, and we will close. And now this email is set up and it is ready to send and go out as soon as someone opts in. Now you can also continue to add on to the string of emails. So let's say you want to send an email in a few hours. You can do the exact same process, but instead of a delay, let's just send it in 1 hour. Okay. And we go back to settings and we'll just do testing again. And this is just do testing 2. Click your correct SMTP and we'll just use that template again. And I just want you to see what happens here. Boom. So you'll see that this email now will go out 1 hour after they opt in. So this isn't a true like autoresponder drip sequence. I wouldn't recommend using this for all of your autoresponder needs. You typically either want to use Actionetics, which is in ClickFunnels, or like MailChimp or Aweber, something that's a little more robust. But to get immediate emails out, or if there's a series of emails that you want directly from ClickFunnels, or you're just getting started out, or you're just starting out, go ahead and use this system, and it works like a dream. You're just not going to have as good of analytics and more of an action sequence to actually follow up and see exactly how people are responding to these emails and how you can optimize from there. So this is definitely very useful. There's lots of use cases for this. Just don't rely on this solely for all of your autoresponder needs. So let us know if you have any questions. Hope this helped, and we will talk to you again in the next video.